Good morning, children. Today I will teach you how to put greater than, smaller than and equal to sign. Let's start. There are three types of signs: greater than, smaller than, equal to. First of all, I will tell you how to make these signs. This is a box. Now we will make two dots on the corners of this line and one dot in the center of this line. Now we will join this dot to this corner like this. Again we will join this dot to this corner. This is greater than sign. This is a box. Now we will make two dots on the corner of this line and one dot in the center of this line. Now we will join this dot to this corner. Again we will join this dot to this corner. This is smaller than sign. Now we will make a slipping line. Below this we will make one more slipping line. This is equal to sign. So children, now I will tell you how to use these signs. There is an alligator and he always wants to eat more number of things. There are two boys, Monu and Sonu. So, Mama has given 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils to Monu and 1, 2. 2 pencils to Sonu. Now, whose pencils are more? Monu's pencil. So, alligator will eat more pencils. Monu's pencils are more pencils. So, alligator will eat more pencils. More means greater. More means greater. So 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. I have already told you about signs. So we will make greater than sign. It means 3 is greater than 2. Now Mama has given 4 pencils to Monu. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils to Monu and 6 pencils to Sonu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whose pencils are more? Sonu's pencils are more. So the alligator will eat Sonu's pencil. Because Sonu's pencils are more than Monu's pencils. More means greater. So we will make greater than sign. So 6 is greater than 4. So now Mama has given 3 pencils to Monu. 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils to Sonu. 1, 2, 3. Now both have same number of pencils. So alligator will not eat anyone's pencil. So here comes the equal to sign. Equal means same. Equal means same. So now we will put equal to sign. Now we will put sign between 2-digit numbers. First we will see number at tens place. Here 2 is at tens place and here 3 is at tens place. So which is greater? So 3 is greater. So alligator eat 36 number means 36 is greater number. Here 3 is at tens place and here 2 is at tens place. So which is greater? 3 is greater. So alligator eat 38 number means 38 is greater number. Here the number at tens place is 4 Here also the number at tens place is 4. If the number at tens place is same, then we will see the number at ones place. Here the number at ones place is 0. Here also the number at ones place is 0. So both the numbers are same. So we will put equal to sign. Here the number at tens place is 1. Here the number at tens place is 2. So 2 is greater than 1. So the alligator will eat 21 number. Now I will give you a practice worksheet which you will do at home. Thank you, children.